Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by boiling 6 large eggs for 10 minutes, then cool them in ice water and peel. Chop the eggs into roughly 1/2-inch pieces so the salad has good texture. Finely chop 1 stalk celery to yield about 2 tablespoons, and mince 1 tablespoon chives for brightness. Measure 2 tablespoons plain Greek yogurt and 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard. These replace mayonnaise and provide creaminess and tang. Have 1 tablespoon lemon juice and 1/4 teaspoon salt, ready to balance flavors before. In a medium bowl, combine the chopped eggs with 2 tablespoons plain Greek yogurt and 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard. Stir until mostly blended. Add 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1/8 teaspoon black pepper. Gently fold to distribute seasoning without overmashing. If you like a touch of sweetness, add 1 teaspoon sweet pickle relish or finely chopped cornichons and fold once more. Taste and adjust salt, pepper, or lemon by small increments to keep balance and avoid thinness. Spoon the finished egg salad onto whole grain bread for sandwiches, into lettuce cups for a light plate, or serve as a dip with crackers. If you want a creamier texture, increase plain Greek yogurt to 3 or 4 tablespoons. For briny notes, add 1 tablespoon capers or 2 teaspoons sweet relish. Sprinkle a pinch of smoked paprika on top for color and aroma. Transfer leftovers into an airtight container and refrigerate immediately. Consume within 3 days, and always keep chilled below 4 degrees Celsius.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.